Hey Josh, if you could go back in time and speak to your younger self, what trading advice would you give him?
All right, so if I could talk to myself after doing this for 17 years, very, very straightforward. I would want to give the information that would streamline to how I view the market now. So the first thing that I would do is say, you're not going to make all your money overnight, so don't risk all your money. I spent the first couple years just kind of blowing up my account. I found a strategy that worked for me, but because it worked, I got overexcited and I would risk too much money. And so oftentimes I would lose all my money due to drawdown, but then still be right in the overall direction. So I would say, listen, Tiger, listen here, young Josh. I know you're ambitious. I know you want to be successful. I know you're willing to do what it takes, but patience, right? You're not going to make all your money overnight, so don't risk all your money overnight type of scenario. So that's number one. Key is risk management. This is a long game, not a short-term game, right? Second thing I would say is have a focus. Right now, if I could talk to my younger self, I would just say buy indexes. Buy indexes, buy indexes, buy indexes. Focus on only buying. Don't even play around with selling the market. Just buy indexes. Indexes tend to go up over time, right? So let the market dip without you. Once it bottoms out, use your strategies on the web with good risk management. Stick with Fibonacci's. Fibonacci's will help you find the short-term moves, the long-term moves, in my opinion, superior stops, superior exits. And so, yeah, and then of course, along the way, utilize things that are easy to use, easy to obey, and easy to execute and simply work for you. So what would I do? First thing I'll say is calm down, Josh, relax, okay? You're not gonna make all your money overnight, so this is a long-term play. So good risk management is what's gonna allow you to have longevity in the trading space. Number two, buy indexes, buy the dips, right? Whether you position trade, swing trade, or short-term trade, buy indexes. Don't even worry about selling the market. Even if the market sells off for the entire year, just wait it out, right? Because in the long run, it's a rising tide. And the third is stick with Fibonacci's. Fibonacci's work really well, will give you superior direction, help you understand short-term moves versus long-term moves. So that would be the biggest thing that I would kind of talk to myself. In the nitty gritty, I would still encourage my younger self to do what I do today, which is to use the monthly time frame for direction, daily time frame for high price, low price, 1 hour time frame for zones. Utilize the 7 to 11 rule. The market moves on average 7 to 11 candlesticks between lows and highs and lows. Not all the time, as we know, nothing's perfect. But I'll just kind of give these little tips and tricks along the way and hopefully help my younger self understand how to put it all together. But ultimately, none of it's going to matter unless my younger self has good risk management, which I struggled with the first couple years, simply because I had a nice strategy. I just kept losing all my money because I wanted to win it all every single time.